All right, first of all, I have had my oven preheating at 500 degrees for the last hour with my little bread oven in it. So that's my first step. Now, I'm gonna score this how I normally score it. So, normally I go pretty deep at an angle, like so, and then I just make little designs because that's what I do. Maybe, no. All right, so it's pretty deep. I'm gonna put this in my bread oven. I have the oven at 450 now, and I'm going to put it in the bread oven, put it in the oven for 7 minutes. And then after 7 minutes, we're gonna come in and we're gonna rescore this. So let's go do that. All right, like I said, I have my oven at 450. I did preheat it to 500 with this in it, and then I turned it down to 450. So I'm gonna do 7 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rescore that one side. All right, it's been 7 minutes, so let's see if this works. Let's try it out. The last time I did it, this worked great, so let's see. All right, after I open this and after I score it again, I'm gonna put it back, I'm gonna cover it again, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. All right, we're about to go to the moment of truth. I am about to change my oven setting to 425 degrees now, so I gotta do that. Y'all like my oven noises? All right, here's the moment of truth. She has been in the oven at 450 for a total of like 25-ish minutes. So, moment of truth to see if this actually works. It worked before, but you know, I'm making a video, so it's probably not gonna work. Ready? Oh yeah, there's an ear. Shoot, ear. Look at that. It's not perfect. Probably could have gone deeper. I don't think this also kind of exploded a bit. I think it may have been a little, may have been underproofed, to be honest. I don't know. But anyway, now it's got some blistering. That's nice. So I have it at 425 degrees. I'm gonna leave the cover off. Cook times are different with actual bread ovens like this. So if you have a Dutch oven, don't follow these directions. But I'm gonna put this back in for about 12 minutes, uncovered at 425. Like I said, if you cook yours in an actual Dutch oven, just cook it like you normally do. That's what I'm trying to say. Just cook it like how you normally do. So I'm gonna go for about 12 minutes. Usually I do 6 minutes, and then I rotate it, and then I do another 6 minutes. All right, she's a beaut. She is actually a beaut. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed by her.